This meeting is being recorded.
So, good morning guys, and we welcome you to Toastmasters Club U-Belttoma College Edition. So before we start our meeting, we will just want to share a friendly reminders to our studio board. We put them to...
The theme of our meeting today is college life. People have been saying that we enjoy their college days, gather life experiences, have fun with barcadas at the same time. So our word of the day is precarious. So it's an adjective dependent on example and chance. All throughout college, I repeatedly found myself in precarious situations that tested my faith, but somehow,
well, actually, one of the best memories in college was actually my graduation, because it took me a while to finish college. Actually, it took me 8
You
years.
can also deliver speeches in our Toastmasters Club worldwide should your schedule of people. So should you have any further questions? The prepared speeches are taken from the new path-based manuals or the old manuals. Competent communication manuals or advanced speech manuals each are the same that incorporate some or all of the feedback received from the presentation of the first
Physical
speech.
injury. Keep on just poking at it, letting it bleed, and letting it fester. Wouldn't you look crazy if you did that? And why is it that when we sustain emotional wounds, most people just let their emotional wounds practice emotional first? Today, I'm going to tell you about my experience masters in the UK. It was also the first time that I was given a chance to finally seek professional help through the counselor and fester because we didn't know how emotional first aid. Today, I'm going to tell you about prior. I was suffering from negative self-image, depression, doubt, and everything that I did in work, in my friendships. So I thought, since in the United Kingdom, they have a very mental health program, why not take my counselor? She told me, and again, you just need to learn to practice some of my long-standing guilt and doubt. If I don't practice emotional first aid at any given point, those will just keep on recurring and worsening. Pandemic, I noticed that I have to myself and to everyone to not forget to give that self-help to ourselves, as we hope to also give that to others. What are the 3 tips that she gave me? That there's something is to practice on in the first place. For instance, during this quarantine, my work has been and go to our positive place. Fellow Toastmasters guests, during this pandemic, we have...
Let us now move on to our second speech.